आज कल हमें शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप फर्स्ट किए थे, आज हम सेकंड करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एन इनकम्प्लीट combustion of fuel more harmful to human being? Answer: incomplete combustion occurs when a combustion reaction occurs without a sufficient supply of oxygen. Incomplete combustion is often undesirable because it releases less energy than complete combustion and produces carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas. Question number 2. Nikita is reading a book in her balcony. Suddenly, she observes fire at her neighbor's house in the kitchen. She immediately rushes and informs the old lady, who is only one there. Finding the overturned kerosene can that caused by the fire, Nitika immediately opened the fire extinguisher and put out the fire. Question second A. Why do you think Nikita used fire extinguisher, not water? Answer: Nikita used fire extinguisher because water cannot be used to put out fire caused by burning of kerosene. Water is heavier than kerosene, settle down at the bottom. Question number B. What value is shown by Nikita in this act? We should help our neighbors. Question number third. Briefly describe the condition required for combustion of a substance. Answer: the condition required for combustion of a substance. First, the presence of a combustible substance. Second, the presence of a supporter of combustion. Third, attainment of ignition temperature of the combustible substance. Question number 4. Name the different type of combustion. Define any two type. The different type of combustion: first, rapid combustion; second, spontaneous combustion; third, explosion combustion. First, rapid combustion: when a combustible substance burns at a rapid rate, producing a very large amount of heat and light in a short period of time, it is called rapid combustion. Second, explosion combustion: when a combustion reaction occurs suddenly with the evolution of a large amount of gases, heat and light sound, it is called explosion. Fifth, how are combustible substances different from non-combustible substances? Answer: a substance that which burn in air and tend to produce heat and light is known as combustible substance. Non-combustible substances are certain substances which are not combustible in the produce of air with not one or being exposed or to flame. Example: diesel, petrol, kerosene.